It's my boyfriend's birthday, so I'm doing a surprise birthday for him. I have booked us a holiday to Malta. I'm a little bit nervous because I've had to pack everything, book everything. Yeah, he has no idea. I thought I would video the whole thing so I can share it all.
And we've got another destination of our journey.
Yes.
Mum's gonna take us.
Seems to be driving towards an aeroplane terminal.
Still clueless. Any idea?
I'm glad to say Malta from looking at that board. Sorry, we're just having a photo.
James is here!
Get me in it.
You're on the vlog! Hello! So Frank is eating rabbit. Ooh. Wow.
Little poser.
Corona. I'm pretty burnt. Gotta hide. Not going great. Wow. Okay, it's getting really hot now. Oof. Guess what?
What?
I'm not going to Dubai on Monday. I'm going in September.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Why did you tell me you're going on Monday?
Got him. Look at that. Look at that.
Eat
Frank's trying fresh salt.
it. Eat it.
Come on.